Here's the BC645 again, and a gentleman on the internet, a ham radio operator, had posted that it's probably a good idea to add a 20 puff capacitor in series with the BFO injection capacitor on the final IF stage. So I did that, and the results are really good. Here's some sideband now on 80 meters. well, that's about it for my little demo here. Made a bunch of progress on the receiver. It actually works acceptably, and I did do a mod on it to get SSB. I'll show you that mod here in a minute. Here's a sheet from the book that I've been looking at on how to connect the power up to this thing. The plug on the left is the P104, and the one on the right is this plug here. So, pretty happy with it so far. It just takes way too much time to make this thing go. It takes a lot of time. Okay, turn it off. And yeah, the vibrator's noisy. I would like to get the vibrator in a solid state. This thing is really aggravating. The noise it makes is horrendous. All right, that's that. I want to show you the modification that a gentleman posted on the internet. This guy looks to be an expert in these radios. Let's get the computer fired up here and take a look. So you can tell this place is a mess because I've been working on this radio and this radio here. Too many radios, too little time. Get the computer fired up here. Get my password back in here. There we go. Okay, so yeah, here's the mod on the receiver, on the BC654a receiver. He's saying that on this little capacitor here, that should become like a 20 puff. So I just put a cheap little Bojack 50 volt capacitor in there, 20 puffer, and I hope it doesn't burn up, but that's all I have around here. So no, not those, these little ones. These little capacitors here, I put a little 20 puffer in from this box right there, 20 puff right there in the middle. So that's that little guy got put in there across. I put that 20 puffer across here, and you heard the sideband. It seems to work pretty well. Anyway, this guy has a great site. That's his call sign there, k4che.com. He has a really good site on these war radios, and it's been a real wealth. I haven't used too much of what he's, well, I've kind of been using his instructions as a springboard to accelerate my work habit here to get this thing going. But anyway, pretty much did all this stuff that he talks about, and the receiver is working well now. So that's that. The BFO again is this little mod he has in here, which has been really, really good. And where's that mod he has here? Oh, I've lost it. Must be way down here. There it is, right there. So there's a BFO mod. That's an important mod to make if you want to listen to any sideband on 80 meters, because without this mod, it barely works. You just hear basically nothing. So you need a little heavier carry injection for sideband. I'm not sure how that worked in the 40s. I think in the war they had very weak signals, and so they didn't want to have this thing real strong and suppressing the signal, the CW. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I guess my comments on this radio are that some reviews in the war, I guess I read, said the radio didn't work that well. The BC654a didn't receive that well, and I think with the vibrator power supply on, that could have been true. It seems like it has some hash, but mine is not upgraded, and it's not new, and my vibrator power supply is probably very corrupt, so hard to say. But with an open antenna close to the radio, you're going to get some hash, that's for sure. I'm betting, but who knows. Okay, enough of this. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.